Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Check it out. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without showing your face, without recording video. So check it out. The first step is you got to have a YouTube account, right? That's obvious. And I'm going to show you the trick of the trade because I did something very cool with my YouTube channel, which allowed me to go from like zero to like $1 million a year on YouTube. So listen close here. So check it out. So type in meditation, and I just want to get right to it. Smash the like button if you want me to get right into it. I'm not going to tell stories and BS you. Look, meditation. Meditation is a niche on YouTube right now that makes a ton of money. And let me show you one channel that I know, and I know the owner, and I know what they did. And I'm going to basically show you what they did so you can do it too. Soothing relaxation. They have 9 million subscribers here. And don't let that bother you. You may say, oh my God, that's a lot. No, watch this. But they're currently earning, if I look at Social Blade here, look, they're earning like $16,000 to $200,000 per month. Now listen, smash the like button if $10,000 per month in the next 90 days will be exciting for you, right? You might say, yeah. So check it out. So you don't need to make $200,000 a month yet. Let's get you to $10,000 so you can kick your job to the curb. Okay, smash the like button, or maybe drop out of school because school sucks, right? It does sometimes. Smash the like button if you agree. If you don't agree, it's okay. Don't hit the like button. But check it out. So first step you want to do is understand we're going to go in the niche of meditation. So meditation is going to pay us very well. We're going to do a meditation YouTube channel, and you're going to type in meditation because basically you may be thinking, where do I get videos from? Well, you're going to get it from these videos. Okay, you're not going to record in the videos. You don't need any software at all. And this is the trick. You go to filters here. And this is what no one's talking about on the internet, honestly. But me, I just expose everybody. That's the reason why people sub to my channel. They like my videos. And they just like when I say, let's go! So check it out. Look, Creative Commons. That's the trick. See? If you click on Creative Commons, then basically every video you see here, you can use for yourself. Isn't that crazy? Look, Sad Guru, 1.7 million views. You can use this, how to meditate, on your channel right now and get paid for it, right? All you have to do is give them a little shout out in the description, and any revenue that comes, you get paid for. You get paid for over and over again, all right? So what you want to do is, what I would do, like this right here, I would download this video because it was 5 years ago and it's 3 million views. Now listen, so your channel will rank faster. Comment the word rank faster. You want to get videos that are over 1 million, right? So I take this one. Okay. Take that video here. You want to copy this, that link, copy the link, and go to google.com. Follow me. Okay. Type in save YouTube videos. Right. Go to the site here to save the YouTube videos. How simple this is. And I have a few channels. Maybe I'll show you at the end of this video. You know, I create a new channel every 90 days, and I help people do it like all day. I just help people create new channels. I got this one guy up to like $200 a day. That's like $6,000 a month. Not too bad, right? I got a young lady from Texas, a mom. She's doing like $300 a day. Check it out. And this is what they're doing. Get link, download, and it's going to download straight to the computer. Then once you get it to the computer here, you're going to go back to, let's go back here to my YouTube channel, right? And then you're just going to upload it to your channel here, okay? That's it. And let me tell you, how do you may want to know, well, Wesley, how do you like describe it? Just like this. I mean, come with the word model. You know, so many of you want to be innovative. So many of you want to create something brand new like Elon Musk. I get it. I know you want to be the richest man on the planet, but right now, how about we get you out of poverty and out of averageness? Can I get an amen, right? First step is to make like $10,000 a month, or even $5,000 a month. Because when I was broke, the first amount of money that I made online was $7, and I'm telling you, I cried because I was like, wow. Because if I can make $7, I can make 70, right? And today I do about $1 million a month. And I'm not saying it to brag and boast. It's just what it is, right? But I'm letting you know that you can do it too. Just follow everything I say. Look, copy that. You don't have to say guided meditation. You can say easy meditation. But you copy the video, you upload that video to your YouTube channel, right? And you already know how to do that. You know how to upload a video to the YouTube channel. Now, and this is the big step. It's one more step that you got to do. You need to go to a site by the name of vidIQ, okay? vidIQ.com. vidIQ.com. iq.com. You need to go to this website here. Okay, I do suggest to use Chrome. It's free. Don't pay for anything. Just use the free version. This is what everybody uses, right? So you should use it too. So I'm not sure if my account is here, but all you do is log in, and you're going to take that same video, right, that I showed you. You want me to add a YouTube channel here. But look, you take that same video here, and basically, if you have the correct plugin, okay, let's go back to the video again. See this video right here? Once you upload that to YouTube, basically, you take the video on Chrome and you just take all the tags, okay, the tags, so you can rank faster. And you just repeat the process over and over again. Does that make sense? That's it. Turbine meditation, right? I mean, this is what a lot of people are doing. Look, let me show you another company that did this. Like, you know this company right here, Calm? Look at this. Let me show you another company right here. Look, Calm. Now, you think there's some sophisticated company? They're really not, honestly. Look at this. They're doing about $1,000 to $13,000 per month. And usually the money's on the upper end here, right? $13,000 like per month. It's just meditative videos. Only 200 videos here. So it's like, do a couple of videos a day, right? That's it. And it's free videos. Just got to make sure on the filter you have Creative Commons. That's what's important. Then you won't get in trouble by YouTube, right? You got to follow the policies here. And you just download and upload these videos as much as humanly possible. Use vidIQ to copy the links. Now listen, smash the like button if you believe you can do this. I know you can do this, big head. Of course you can. Don't be lazy. But listen, I do teach people how to do this, and not just teach. You know what? Honestly, I'm kind of tired of teaching people, and I'll just do it for you. How about this? I have a group right now. If you look in the description below, you want to join the group. In the group, basically, I have a community that's private that only people that click the link below have access to, where we'll build it for you. Within 90 days, I will build your channel and it will be monetized. Does that make sense? I mean, your channel look like this. Let me be transparent with you here. Smash the like button if you like my transparency. It's important online because a lot of people are just lying, honestly, you know. Let me show you my revenue. You know, I have nothing to hide here. Look, like imagine in the link below, just clicking that link and getting access to, it's called the YouTube monetization course. And what we do is, you don't have to really watch videos and try to learn it yourself. We have a community of thousands of people around the world, and we help each other get monetized. And we monetize 2 to 3 people every single day. Okay, monetize. See, I did $14,000. I'm poor now. Look at that. But who cares? That's just like free money coming in from my YouTube channel here. See that? That's my revenue. So imagine if you was bringing in $6,000, $5,000, or $20,000 per month by letting me and my team do it for you. That's what we do. Honestly, it's a collective group of people around the world, and this is worldwide. In that link, once you click it, we just do it for you. I mean, of course you can learn. We have videos too, but we have a special group that you can be a part of right now. And we will create it all for you and get you monetized in less than 90 days, guaranteed. We do it every day, all day anyway. So if that's something you want, click the link below. If you're looking to leave your job, leave your situation, understand that YouTube is just the new game. It's like the new TV. And if you're not on it, you're behind. And you'll find out in 5 to 10 years when you're working that job that you hate. Listen, take action right now. I'm here to hold your hand. I'm talking from the top of my heart. Right now, I'm laying in my bed butt naked, and I'm talking to you. Listen, click the link, join the group. Join it. We will build it for you. It's a group of people. It's like a family. So if you want to be a part of a family that actually makes money, in the link below, click it. I can't wait to see you there. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, motivated, dedicated, let's go.